world record. The first to lead his team to climb Kanchenjunga from the toughest northeast face in 1976, a feat described by several experts as far more difficult than the Everest ascent. As all of you are aware, the Olympics are on at Rio right now, and there's something interesting I want to share with you. In 1931, a German expedition tried to summit Kanchenjunga from that route. They didn't succeed. But in the Los Angeles Olympics, they were given an honorary gold medal for their attempt, their feat, even though failed, simply for attempting it. This officer became the first man to lead, and they actually summited Kanchenjunga from that route. Of the 13 highest peaks above 24,000 feet that have been climbed by Indians, 9 have been climbed under his leadership. However, in 1981, there was something that he did that India will always be grateful for. He planted the Indian flag on the Siachen Glacier and became the first man in the world to have scaled the uncharted Siachen, the world's longest non-polar glacier, from its freezing snout to its icy source. As he would say it, once you get the heights, you're the tiger. We put the tricolor at the furthest end of Siachen. In 1984, his efforts and his reconnaissance formed the bedrock of Operation Meghdut. Operation Meghdut was when the Indian Army thwarted Pakistan's occupation of Siachen, the world's highest battlefield as we know it. As Indian troops established more and more posts, a key post on the glacier was named after him, perhaps the only living Indian Army officer to enjoy this singular honor. This highly decorated officer of the Kumaon Regiment has been awarded the Param Vishesh Seva Medal, Kirti Chakra, Ati Vishesh Seva Medal, the McGregor Medal, IMF Gold Medal, Padma Shri and Arjuna Award. Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed my honor and privilege to present to you and invite on stage India's son, Narendra Bul Kumar.
Colonel Kumar deserves a standing ovation.